Hey guys, this is Jen. I am just going through our garden for the rest of the year. We just got the herb garden up and trying to clean things up. And I couldn't bear to throw these beautiful herbs away, so I'm going to hang them to dry and use them in the kitchen. So I've got chives here. I'm so excited about this. Flat leaf Italian parsley, mint, which we use to make mint tea, blue leaf basil, some extra little green onions, some leeks, and some regular onions, which will dry over the winter and use all winter long. But I'm so excited. I haven't dried herbs before. I'm not sure why, but you know, it's such a beautiful October and we still have stuff in the garden. So I got a little patch of parsley over there that I'm going to continue to use in the garden, and then I'll dry that too. But yeah, one, two, three, four different herbs and some leeks, and I got a bunch of onions inside, and we had tomatoes and all these nice onions here. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. That's it. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.